In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily install these underglow lights on your MX350 or MX400. I'll also show you how to easily install this light bar that's rechargeable, and it has 4 different settings for light modes. It provides great visibility when riding at night. Please like and subscribe, and let's get after the install. The LED lights come with everything you need to secure it to the bike, except you do need 3 AA batteries in the battery pack. It comes with zip ties and a strap to secure it to the frame. What you'll want to do is remove the bolt under the gas cap, 2 behind here, then slide the seat back, and that exposes the frame. What I'm going to do is install the 3 batteries. Close the latch, and then what I want to do is secure this to the frame and then run the cable along the frame underneath so you get that nice underglow look under the plastics. To turn this on, you just simply hit that button, turn it off, you hit it again. It's just a simple on-off. You could also attach the battery pack here if you'd like. I'm going to try it at this location and see how it works. I'm going to take just like that. May need to tighten this up a little bit. Buttons right there, easy to access. And then to put the LEDs on here, now it's not pretty when it's all said and done, but once you put the plastics on, you won't see it, and it'll really look cool at night. Now that I'm happy with that, I'm going to go ahead and trim all these zip ties. In order to install these handlebar risers on your MX350, you're going to need this 6mm hex. You can also use it on a socket, like I'm going to do for easier use. I'm going to go ahead and remove the factory ones. All right, then I'm just going to set the handlebars down on the fender like that. This is where it might help to have a friend hold the handlebars for you, but it is manageable for one person to do. What I'm going to go ahead and do is put my block on here like that. Then I'm going to lift up the handlebars. I'm just going to set it on here to get them started. Put the top piece in. Get the bolts aligned. Like that. I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Go ahead and set that in there. Then I'm going to put the top piece on with the 2 bolts. Slide them down in there. Get them started. Okay, now that I'm getting close, I'm going to go ahead and bring the handlebars up. And I want to position them where I see fit. Align those little grooves so they hide and they're centered. Go ahead, position it about like that. And now I'm going to go ahead and start to tighten this down. I want to make sure that the gap on the front and the back is the same or similar. Okay, got the taller handlebars installed. Now to install this really cool headlight, what I want to do is loosen this bolt, and I'm going to go ahead and put this on the middle like here. It's really going to look cool. I could probably also mount it down if I wanted to. But either way, let's go ahead and install that. Loosen the thumb wheel, and then this slides off. And then I'm going to use a 3mm hex that comes with the light. Loosen this up. And you see that this opens up. So now what I can do is put that around like that. And then I can go ahead, put that clamp around, go ahead and install that screw. Get that centered. When it starts getting tight, I'm going to go ahead and slide it around like this. Really get that tightened down. There we have it. Now I can take the light, slide it in the track like that, get it centered, use the thumb wheel to tighten it in place. There we have it. Now this light's pretty cool. It comes in a couple different modes. If you first turn it on, it does the 2 lights, or the 2 LEDs. Then it goes to the 1 LED, the dim, then all 3, and then it does the blink, and then off. But if you hold the button, you get this really cool running light, which I really like. Gives it a really neat look to it. So there we have it. We have the handlebar risers, this really cool bright headlight with 3 different dim settings of the LED bulbs. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments, and thanks for watching.